Okay, third point. Third point. Third point. Third point. Third point. So to identify, see, to identify a scalar product. Okay, so the relation for scalar product is A vector dot B vector is equal to modulus of A, modulus of B, modulus of A, modulus of B cos C. This modulus is nothing but your magnitude. This modulus indicates the magnitude. So I can write it as A, B cos theta. I can write it as A, B cos theta. Okay, A, B cos theta. So in this relation, so point we'll see. In this relation, if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, is the subheading. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, two vectors are perpendicular to each other, perpendicular to each other. When it is perpendicular to each other, theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so that is A vector and B vector are perpendicular to each other. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, then A vector dot B vector. A vector dot B vector is nothing but cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So it is 0. When A, B vectors both are perpendicular to each other, so the product is equal to 0. It is the third point. Okay, when it is perpendicular to each other, so A, B vectors is equal to 0. Now, next point, fourth point. Fourth point. Fourth point. Fourth point. If AB are two parallel vectors, if AB are two parallel vectors having same direction, if AB are two parallel vectors having same direction, two parallel vectors having same direction, then theta is equal to 0 degrees. Then theta is equal to 0 degrees. When theta is equal to 0 degrees, that is AB are in same direction. So the product A vector dot B vector is equal to AB cos 0 degrees. So AB is your product. Okay, cos 0 is nothing but 1. Cos 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, this is your fourth point. Fourth point. Next one, fifth one. Fifth point. Fifth point. If AB are two parallel vectors, if AB are two parallel vectors, AB are two parallel vectors having opposite direction, fifth point is if AB are two parallel vectors having opposite direction, that is A vector and B vector both are in opposite directions. Both are in opposite direction. When both are in opposite direction, when theta is equal to 180 degrees. When theta is equal to 180 degrees. When theta is equal to 180 degrees, so A vector dot B vector is equal to modulus of A, modulus of B cos 180. Cos 180 is minus 1. So it is minus AB. So the value is minus AB. It is minus AB. Next one, sixth point. Sixth point. Sixth point. The scalar product of a vector. The scalar product of a vector. Scalar product of a vector. Vector with itself. The scalar product of a vector with itself is equal to the square of its magnitude. Is equal to the square of its magnitude. Equal to the square of its magnitude. Suppose now the two vectors எடுத்துக்கிறேன். A vector தான் when you are multiplying with A vector itself. So A vector ஓட தான் நான் multiply பண்றேன். So that means A vector dot A vector. A vector dot A vector. So both are in the same direction. So theta is equal to 0 degrees. So the magnitude is modulus of A vector, modulus of B vector, cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 is nothing but 1. So modulus of A is nothing but your magnitude. So it is A square. It is A square. When both are in the same direction. Next point. It is your sixth point. Seventh point. Seventh point. Seventh point. Scalar product of two similar base vectors. Scalar product of two similar base vectors is unity. Scalar product of two similar base vectors is unity. Two similar base vectors is unity. And that of two different base vectors. And that of two similar base vectors is 0. The scalar product of two similar base vectors is unity, and that of two different base vectors is 0. Two different base vectors is 0. So you'll see the relation. So assume there are two vectors, A vector and B vector. Both are traveling the same direction. Both are traveling the same direction. So when it is traveling the same direction, assume it is x-axis. So I cap is your axis direction. So when you are multiplying with the base vectors, A vector dot B vector is equal to cos 0. Cos 0 is not 1, no, it is 1. So when you are multiplying with the same direction, it will be 1. So I cap dot I cap is equal to 1, j cap dot j cap equal to 1, k cap dot k cap equal to 1. You already know this. Now, when these two are in opposite direction, that is your perpendicular direction, 90 degrees. Okay, so AB vectors are making perpendicular directions. Okay, two different bases, both are in perpendicular with each other. So cos 90 is equal to 0. So then I cap j is equal to j cap I or j cap k or k cap I is equal to 0. When you are multiplying with the different vectors, it will be 0. When you are multiplying with the same direction vectors, it will be 1. Now, next point. Next point. Scalar product of two vectors. Scalar product of two vectors. Scalar product of two vectors. Two vectors is equal to the sum of. Scalar product of two vectors is equal to the sum of. The product of their corresponding rectangular components. The product of their corresponding rectangular components. I'll repeat again. Scalar product of two vectors. Scalar product of two vectors. A vector and B vector. A vector and B vector is equal to the sum of the product of their corresponding rectangular components. Sum of the product of their corresponding rectangular components. So assume I'm taking a vector, A vector. A vector எப்படி identify பண்றேன்னா, if it is, we are discussing with the three axes. So Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap. Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap. So it is your A vector with respect to x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now we are taking B vector. So it is Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. Okay, now we are finding the vector product. So if you are finding the vector product, so A dot B, A vector dot B vector, A vector dot B vector. So when you are multiplying the same things, so when the vectors are in the same directions, that is with respect to the corresponding directions, then only it will be multiplied. Or else if it is other directions, it will be 0. So that is Ax Bx plus Ay By plus Az Bz. So this is your product of vectors. This is your relation. Now, if you want to find cos theta, so cos theta is equal to, that means if you want to find the angle or if it is both are in the same directions or if it is perpendicular, if you want to find, so the relation is A vector dot B vector is equal to modulus of A vector modulus of B vector. Okay, so to find cos theta, this is your relation. Okay, now if you want to find any vector into magnitude, the square root. So if you want to find the magnitude of any vector is equal to square root of Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square. Same thing for modulus of B vector. So modulus of B vector is equal to square root of Bx square plus By square plus Bz square. Okay, so these are your relations. It is first one. So when you are converting these vectors into product, this is your relation. It is your cos theta. So these angles or this vector, if you want to find into magnitude, so the square roots will be there. Square root of each individual product. Okay. So we'll do one problem on this one. Then we'll go to the cross products. Okay. Find a question. Just take the question. Take the question. Is it over? நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லிட்டேன் நீங்க வந்து ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணலனா ஐ வில் மூவிங் ஃபாஸ்டர் உங்களுக்கு புரியாது ஓகே சிலபஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆயிடும் சொல்லிட்டீங்க நீங்க ஓகே ஃபைன் சோ டேக் a question okay so find the angle between the two vectors find the angle between the two vectors find the angle between the two vectors so a vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap and b vector equal to it is minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. So this is your b vector. Now we are going to find the angle between the two vectors. To find the angle between the two vectors, the relation is nothing but cos theta. Relation is nothing but cos theta. So cos theta is equal to a vector dot b vector by modulus of a vector and modulus of b vector. Okay. So first try to find the product of these two vectors. So either a product and both are in the same direction, it will be multiplied. So it is I cap, j cap and k cap. So try to find its product a vector dot b vector. Okay, adukapra individual idola square roots pananum. So individual square roots na idola magnitude. To find its magnitude, it is nothing but square root of. So it is 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square. So it is 1 square plus 2 square plus of minus 1 whole square. Okay, that is ax square plus ay square plus az square. So which is equal to here also for the b vector, it is minus 1 square plus it is 1 square plus it is minus 2 whole square. So here vectors to the magnitudes and from this relation cos theta find out. Right? Just multiply பண்ணுங்க இது multiply பண்ணா a dot b வரும். So அதே மாதிரி இங்கே it is nothing but your square root. These are nothing but your magnitudes. From this relation find cos theta.
Theta equal to 4 sir.
Theta equal to 4 வராதுமா cos theta value சொல்லுங்க நான் theta value எப்படி நான் சொல்றேன் theta equal to 4 வராதுமா செக் பண்ணுங்க first cos theta value சொல்லுங்க yes ma'am. So cos theta is equal to 60 degrees. Yes, correct. So if you see that, suppose உங்களுக்கு தெரியலனா I'll try to do this one. So மத்த sums நீங்க பண்ணலாம். Okay. So first I'm going to find a vector dot b vector. First I'm going to find a vector dot b vector. So a vector dot b vector dot b vector. So multiplying of I cap separately, j cap separately and k caps. So summation is the answer. So it is 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 2. Okay, so it is ax, bx, ay, by, az, bz. So which is equal to, so it is minus 1, it is plus 2 and it is plus 2. So the relation is 3. So it is 3. Okay, so a dot b vectors and the answer is 3. Now, so inge on the magnitudes na find out pandra. So the magnitudes are nothing but a square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is nothing but 1 only. Okay, so 1 plus 4 plus 1 6. So the value or the magnitude for root a vector is nothing but root 6. அதே மாதிரி இங்க பார்க்கணும். So 1 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 4 again it is nothing but root 6. Now we got the magnitudes of a vector and b vector. Now we are going to find cos theta. The relation of cos theta. Cos theta formula என்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன்? Cos theta is equal to a vector dot b vector is equal to magnitude of a vector and the magnitude of b vector. Magnitude of a vector and magnitude of b vector. So which is equal to a vector dot b vector is nothing but 3. 3 divided by magnitude of a is root 6. Magnitude of b is root 6. So it is nothing but root 6 whole square. So root 6 whole square is nothing but 6. So it is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is now 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 in the angular. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 160 degrees. 60 degrees is now. So cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So the answer is 60 degrees. Answer is 60 degrees. Okay, I'll give one more. Try to find it. Okay, any doubt on this one?
No, sir.
Next question. Next question. If the magnitude of two vectors are 3 and 4. If the magnitude of two vectors are 3 and 4. 3 and 4 and the scalar product is 6. If the magnitude of two vectors are 3 and 4 and the scalar product is 6. Scalar product is 6. Then find the angle between the two vectors. Then find the angle between the two vectors. Okay, I'll repeat the question. If the magnitude of two vectors are 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and their scalar product is 6. The scalar product is 6.
Theta is equal to 1 by 2, sir.
Cos theta is equal to
1
how
by
much?
2.
Yes, ma, super. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Yes. What is the value of
60
theta?
degrees.
Yes,
60.
ma, 60 degrees. Yes. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Suppose தெரியலனா I'll help you with that. So இங்க கொடுத்திருக்காது magnitude. Magnitude na values. So magnitude. Okay. So here it is your product. So a vector dot b vector 6 and கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So magnitude of a 3, magnitude of b 4 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So we are going to find cos theta. So cos theta is equal to a vector dot b vector. It is 6 by 3 into 4. Okay, so இது நீங்க வந்து 2 times பண்ணலாம், இது 2 times. So the answer is 1 by 2. So again, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Sir, note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. We'll see the next question. There doubt இருக்கா? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Next question. A force 7 I cap, a force 7 I cap plus 6 k cap. 7 I cap plus 6 k cap. A force 7 I cap plus 6 k cap. Newton makes a body move on a rough plane. A force 7 I cap plus 6 k cap. Newton makes a body move on a rough plane with a velocity 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. 3 j cap plus 4 k cap meter per second. So here it is Newton and it is meter per second. So calculate the power in watt. What is the formula for power? Power relation.
By time.
Work by time, but here they haven't given you any work, right? So work by time, but work kudukla, time kudukla. They have given force into velocity. Remember, so work is nothing but force into displacement, and displacement by time is velocity. So power is nothing but force into velocity. Now tell me, force on the vector quantity, because vector lo kuduthirukanga, velocity vector quantity. What about the power? Is it a scalar or vector? Is it a scalar or vector?
Vector.
No, power is a scalar quantity. நீங்க வந்து differentiate பண்ணனும். பவருக்கு வந்து direction கிடையாது. Okay, power is yes ma. Krishna. Okay, power is a scalar quantity. So for that only when you are multiplying it, both vectors, the product is your scalar. When the product is your scalar, so this is your dot product. Suppose இது வந்து வெக்டார் இருந்தா this is your cross product. புரியுதா? ஒரே சின்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் தான். ஸோ நீங்க வந்து physical quantities ஸ்கேலாரா வெக்டாரா நீங்க வந்து ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, so try to multiply these two. Find the answer.
Sir, 45, sir.
எதுமா 45? இல்லம்மா இல்ல. காஸ் இல்லடா இங்க. Just multiply தான். நான் angle thetaவே தேவையில்லை எனக்கு. Just I need to multiply the two vectors and to find the power. That's it. Cos theta வரும்போது that is your different answer. Answer is 24. Yes. Sweta, yes. 24 watts. Yes. Just multiply it. That's it. Okay, ma. Next question. Next question. Okay. So இதை நீங்களே try பண்ணுங்க. Okay. Okay. So for what values of values of small a, for what values of small a are the vectors a vector equal to, are the vectors a vector is equal to a I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. A I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. Okay, and b vector is equal to, it is 2a I cap plus a j cap minus 4 k cap. I'll repeat the question. For what values of small a, okay, the vectors a vector is equal to a I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap, and b vector is equal to 2a I cap plus a j cap minus 4 k cap. Okay, perpendicular to each other or perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other, now theta is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so we are going to find the values of a vector and b vector. Okay, try to find the values of a vector and b vector. A is equal to 1 and minus 2. Yes, ma. A is equal to 1 and minus 2, but actually the answer is 2 comma minus 1. So 2 minus 1. Maybe you have missed something. So the answer is 2 and minus 1. Answer is 2 and minus 1. Check பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸ்வேதா எப்படி பண்ணீங்க நீங்க? கொஞ்சம் சொல்றீங்களா? இருக்கீங்களா? By factorization. Okay. Okay. Did you get any equation? அப்படி சொல்லலாமே. Okay, fine. So did you get any equation? Can you get me the equation? Tell me the equation. எப்படி சொல்லுங்க, நீங்க வந்து டைப் பண்ண வேண்டாம். Suppose if you can able to talk, please. Dinesh, என்னாச்சு? மகா. A square minus A minus 2. A square minus A minus 2. What about others? Others, உங்களுக்கு வந்திருக்கா ஆன்சர்? Okay, fine. I'll do it. Okay, so here in the relation, அவங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா, it is perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other, theta is equal to 90 degrees, cos 90 is equal to 0. So relation of the A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude A vector modulus of B vector cos theta. Okay, so first வந்து A dot B நான் வந்து multiply பண்றேன். Multiply பண்ணும்போது, so A vector dot B vector is equal to, so AX BX. So it is a 2A square, 2A square. So it is minus 2 into A. So minus 2A. Okay, so it is plus K and it is minus 4. So it is 1 into minus 4. So it is minus 4. Okay, it is minus 4. Yes, ma. So 2A square, yes, ma, doing. Okay, Subhashini doing after I divide it by 2. Yes, good. Okay. So here, this is your equation. Now, modulus தேவையில்லை. Okay, is it visible now? Sorry, இது கொஞ்சம் network issues இருந்தது. Is it visible now? Yeah, okay, fine. Sorry. Okay, now, so here cos theta, cos 90 வந்து 0 actually. So the product is nothing but 2A square minus 2A minus 4. So it is 2A square minus 2A minus 4 is equal to 0. So I separate 2. So it is A square minus A minus 2 equal to 0. So factorization எப்படி பண்ணலாம்? Mathematics தெரிஞ்சா நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. Factorization. Factorization, here the constant is minus 2. When you're making the product இங்க வந்து இது 1 இருக்கு, இது minus 2 இருக்கு. So this is minus 2. So இப்போ வந்து எனக்கு A term I have to split it. So I can split like this, A square. இங்க வந்து minus A வரணும். இங்க வந்து minus A வரணும். So what I'll do, I'll take minus 2A plus A. So I'll multiply by minus 2 into 1. So it is minus 2A plus A minus 2 equal to 0. எப்படி இருந்தாலும் minus A தான் வரும். So from this relation, I'll separate A. So A separate பண்ணிட்டேன்னா A minus 2. இங்க வந்து plus 1 separate பண்ண A minus 2 equal to 0. So A minus 2 common எடுத்துறேன். A minus 2 into A plus 1. So when you make the zeros, okay, A is equal to 2 வரும், A is equal to minus 1. A is equal to 2 வரும், A is equal to minus 1. These are your answers. Okay. Next question. Next question. Find the angles between the following pairs of vectors. Find the angles between the following pairs of vectors. Following pairs of vectors. Is it over? Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
Next question. Next question. Find the angles between the following pairs of vectors. First one unit. First one, A vector equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and b vector is equal to minus 2i cap minus 2a cap minus 2j cap minus 2k cap minus 2k cap. So we are going to find the angle for these two vectors. Now, second question. In this second question, A vector is equal to 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 3k cap, and B vector equal to minus 2i cap minus 5j cap plus 7k cap plus 7k cap. Okay, so for these two vectors, two problems, we are going to find the angles. Try to find the angles.
Cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, sir.
Sir, theta is equal to 180 degrees, sir.
Sir, your mic is off, sir.
Sorry, thank you. மறந்துட்டேன். Okay, so if cos theta is equal to minus 8.56 வந்தா, you'll get angle theta as 148.9. Okay, problems long value கொடுத்துருவாங்க. Yes, ma, 180 is correct. First one 180 is correct. Or okay, take next question. Yes, ma, it is 0.866 approx. Okay, fine, no issues. It is 0.866 approx. When you are getting it, it will be theta is equal to 148.9. Okay, next question. Next question. Just take the values. Okay, next question. So the cross product panna. Next question. A force F vector equal to a force F vector equal to a force F vector equal to 4I cap plus J cap 4I cap plus J cap plus 3K cap. F vector equal to 4I cap plus J cap plus 3K cap. Newtons. Okay, acts on a particle and displacement it through and displaces it through. S vector is equal to it is 11I cap plus 11J cap plus 15K cap meters. 15K cap meters. Calculate the work done by the force. Now tell me, work is a scalar or vector quantity? Work is a scalar or vector? If it is work is a scalar quantity, when you are multiplying it, it is your dot product. When work is a vector quantity, it is your cross product. What is the answer?
Hundred joules, sir.
Yeah, 100 joules. Yes, correct. 100 joules. Okay, so next heading. Next heading. Vector product of two vectors. Vector product of two vectors. Vector product of two vectors. Okay, so here when we are discussing about the vector product of two vectors, when you are multiplying two vectors, the result should be a vector. When we are discussing about the vector product, so the result should be vector. So we will use the cross product. So the formula on this, we'll directly see the formulas. A vector cross B vector. A vector cross B vector is equal to modulus of A modulus of B sine theta. Modulus of A modulus of B sine theta. This modulus is nothing but your magnitudes. Earlier cos theta discuss pannirukkom, now it is sine theta. Now, so inge when we are discussing about the different products, output on the vector varudunala, so they will be having some direction, and the direction identify pandradha we are using right hand rules. Okay, the direction identify pandradha we are using the right hand rule. Now, to find the right hand rule, assuming I am taking two vectors. Now, the two vectors are so A vector and B vector, both are making an angle theta. So from the right hand thumb rule, the thumb indicates its product. So when you are placing here, the thumb indicates your product of two vectors. The product of two vectors. So it is A vector cross B vector. So again, it is nothing but your direction. Okay. Now, so if you are taking the opposite to it, it is in opposite direction. So it is nothing but your A vector. Okay, cross B vector, but it is minus. So it is B vector cross A vector. So when we are discussing about the opposite direction, the minus subtraction will be there. Opposite direction, negative part will be there. So here the direction will be like this. When you are taking the thumb, the direction of the product indicates upward direction, and the other finger indicates your direction towards the vectors. So it is your direction of vectors. Now we'll discuss some properties on this one. Okay, so take some properties. First property. The vector product is anti-commutative property. The vector property is anti-commutative property. Anti-commutative property. First one. So that is A vector cross B vector is equal to A vector cross B vector is equal to minus B vector cross E vector. Minus B vector cross A vector. It is your first point. Second point. Second point. Distributive over addition. Distributive over addition. Second point, distributive over addition. So that is A vector cross of B vector plus C vector is equal to A vector cross B vector plus A vector cross C vector. Okay, so it is your distributive property over your addition. So third point. Third point, vector product of two parallel or anti-parallel vectors. Vector product of two parallel or anti-parallel vectors. That means assume there are two vectors, A vector and B vector. Both are in the same direction. Okay, both are parallel to each other or anti-parallel to each other. Parallel or anti-parallel to each other. When parallel or anti-parallel, when it is parallel, theta is equal to 0 degrees. When it is anti-parallel, theta is equal to 180 degrees. Then its product. A vector cross B vector is equal to AB sine theta. AB sine theta. So here sine theta is equal to 0 degrees. So it is 0. So it is 0. So sine 0 is 0. Or sine 180 is also 0. This is the third point. Fourth point. So vector product of a vector with itself. Vector product of a vector with itself. With itself now, A vector cross A vector. A vector cross A vector. When you are multiplying with itself. So here theta is equal to again 0 degrees because both are in the same direction. So it is A into A sine 0. So it is 0. So when you are multiplying with the same direction or when you are multiplying with the same self is equal to 0 itself. Okay, so this is your fourth point. Okay, fifth point. When vectors are perpendicular to each other. When vectors are perpendicular to each other, its magnitude is, so it is A vector cross B vector. A vector cross B vector. So if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, A vector and B vector, so making an angle of 90 degrees. When both are perpendicular to each other, so sine 90 is equal to 1. So it is magnitude is nothing but AB sine 90. So sine 90 is nothing but 1 is equal to AB. It's equal to AB. So here we have discussed with respect to the magnitude. If it is a vector quantity, then there is a direction will be there. Okay, this is your fifth point. Okay. Next point. The magnitude of each of vectors. The magnitude of each of the vectors. The magnitude of each of vectors is 1. The magnitude of each of vectors is 1. Each of vectors is 1, that is I cap, comma, j cap, comma, k cap. The magnitude of each of vectors is 1 or the angle between them, any of the two is 90 degrees. Angle between them, any of the two is 90 degrees. Any of the two is 90 degrees. So that means any of the two directions is 90 degrees, then it is 1. Okay, then it is 1. Okay, so we'll discuss this one. Okay, so we'll see one by one. So if I'm taking A vector and B vector, so the product of two vectors here. So when you're considering the directions, so direction is A vector is I cap, B vector is J cap. So I cap cross J cap. I cap cross J cap. So either a magnitude of the unit vector nature. So it is 1 and 1 sine 90 degrees. Sine 90 is 1. So I cross J is nothing but 1. But here we are specifying with respect to the direction. And the direction is again from the thumb rule itself. So to identify with respect to the thumb rule. Okay, I, J, K. So I cap, J cap, K cap. So thumb rule indicates your direction and so. Suppose when you are multiplying these two vectors, making an angle theta. Here also angle theta. So I cross J is nothing but your K cap. Okay. Now when you are multiplying J K cross I, so K cross I. இது முன்னாடி நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம் from the right hand thumb rule. So the finger indicates your direction of the vector. Okay. K cross I is equal to J cap. Okay. And K cross I is equal to J cap and I cross K and J cross K vector is equal to I cap. Okay. So remember this direction. So when you are discussing about the cross product only, the directions will be there. Okay, suppose if you are reversing the directions. So இது வந்து anti-commutative property and சொன்னதுனால when you are reversing the directions, J cross I is minus K. J cross I is minus K. Okay, and I cross K is minus J and K cross J is minus I. So these are your anti-commutative properties when both are making an angle theta here. Suppose if both are in the same direction. Suppose if both vectors are in the same directions. When both vectors are in the same directions, so it will be sine 0 degrees. Sine 0 is nothing but 0. So I cross I is equal to 0. J cross J is equal to 0. And K cross K is equal to 0. When both vectors are in the same directions, it will be 0. Okay. Remove these relations. So next point. So to find the product. Earlier நம்ம discuss பண்ணும்போது there are two vectors னு சொல்லும்போது அதோட product என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் டைரக்ட்டா அதோட டைரக்ஷனோட நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டோம். Now here we are using the vector matrices. Okay, so matrix base பண்ணி தான் we are going to find it. Now so அதோட direct relations நான் கொடுத்துறேன். We'll discuss பண்றேன். So any doubts so far? நான் ஃபாஸ்டா தான் போறேன். இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப easy topics தான். We'll do some more problems on these things. Any doubts? Okay, so next one. So when we are multiplying the two vectors, so assume I'm taking a vector. So A vector is equal to AX I cap plus AY J cap plus AZ K cap. And அதே மாதிரி B vector is equal to BX I cap plus BY J cap plus BZ K cap. These are your two vectors. Okay, now I'm going to find the vector product. To find the vector product, we are using the matrix multiplication method. So first A cross B is equal to, so anyway I'm going to find in the vector format itself. So the output on the vector lo varadunala how to consider IJK again. So it is, I'll consider with respect to I, J and K. So first vector, so it is AX, AY and AZ. And here BX, BY, it is BZ. So we have to consider the directions here with respect to the axes. Now, so to find the product, first we are going to find the product. To find the product, okay, the direct relation, I'm going to find the directly. I'm going to give the relation directly. A vector cross B vector is equal to, நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க, first product, first row, first column நீங்க remove பண்ணிட்டு AD minus BC ன்னு சொல்றீங்க. Matrix உங்களுக்கு already இருக்கும். Suppose if you don't know, I'll discuss, or else I'll give the final relation. நான் direct final relation கொடுக்குறேன். So the final relation is nothing but it is I cap into it is AY BZ. I cap into AY BZ minus BY AZ. Okay, minus J, again minus J into, so the relation was, so I row and I column I have to remove. So it is AX BZ. So I'll write in the upward direction. A cross B vector is equal to I cap. It is AY BZ minus BY AZ. Again minus J and the row and the column are remove பண்ற AX BZ minus AZ BX plus K cap into and the row and the column are remove பண்ணிட்டேன்னா AX BY minus BX KY. So this is your vector product relation. Okay. So now other formula to find the angle theta. So in this relation, sine theta is equal to sine theta is equal to sine theta is equal to, so modulus of A vector cross B vector by y modulus. Now when we are multiplying it, it will be in vector format. So we have to take the magnitude. So to take the magnitude, we are taking this modulus. So modulus of A cross B and numerator denominator of A vector modulus and B vector. These are nothing but your magnitudes. Okay, right. So these are your relations. Suppose if you are getting any direction also we are taking with respect to this one. So இது வந்து வெக்டார் வந்து perpendicular direction வரும்போது தான் நமக்கு வேல்யூ வரும். Perpendicular இருக்கும்போது directionல தான் நம்ம கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்றோம். So sometimes you may can get the questions as find the unit vector. Unit vector ன்னு சொல்லும்போது theta is equal to 90 degrees ஆகும் for perpendicular point. So அப்போ வந்து இது n cap ஆகும். You can write this relation when theta is equal to 90 degrees, only direction matters. And the direction தான் நான் n cap base பண்ணி நான் discuss பண்றேன். So n cap is equal to modulus of A cross B by modulus of A B. Okay, this is your relation. இங்க வந்து magnitude வராது. So here it will be in vectors. This is your relation. Okay, we'll do some sums on this one. Remember questions எப்படி வரும்னா உங்களுக்கு, so two vectors கொடுத்துருவாங்க. So vectors வந்து parallel இருக்கா perpendicular இருக்கா, okay, what is the angle, so இந்த மாதிரி questions. So remember one thing, parallel இருக்கும்போது எப்போ வந்து theta is equal to 0 degrees, perpendicular இருக்கும்போது theta is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so we'll do one problem on this. Okay, I'm erasing this. First question, prove that the vectors A vector equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. A vector equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap, and B vector is equal to minus 6i cap plus 9j cap minus 3k cap. It is plus 3k cap. Okay, I'll repeat again. Prove that the vectors A vector is equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap minus k cap, is minus k cap, and B vector is equal to minus 6i cap plus 9j cap plus 3k cap are parallel. So we are going to prove it. So to prove it, it was a parallel one. So just do the multiplication. So A vector cross B vector, matrix multiplication panni, if the answer is equal to 0, so then it is parallel. If you are getting some other answer in vector format, it is not parallel. Okay, so try to find the relation, try to write in matrix form. So it is I cap, J cap and K cap. I cap, J cap, K cap. Now, so in this relation, so it is 2 minus 6 minus 3 9, and it is minus 1 3.
Sir, it is parallel.
Sorry, it is 0. So if you are getting 0, it is your parallel one. Do it. Suppose Varlana, please let me know. Over, ma. Can you see next question? Okay, just take next question. Next question. Determine a unit vector. Now is it clear? No voice? Krishna,
Yes.
okay, fine. Now. So take the question. Determine a unit vector. Unit vector perpendicular to both perpendicular to both, A vector is equal to 2 I cap. A vector is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay, A vector is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. B vector is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. I'll repeat again. Determine a unit vector perpendicular to the both. A vector is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. B vector is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, we are going to find these two are perpendicular to each other. Unit vector and kuduthirukanga. So we are going to find n cap. So so to find the n cap, so they will specify it as a unit vector. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. So we are going to find n cap. The formula it is A vector cross B vector. Magnitude because it is your direction. So now on the value then I'll find out and divided by its magnitudes. A cross B vector. Take this relation. So A cross B, you can find out it, then take the magnitude for it, you'll get the relation. End it will be in vector format only. வீடியோ ஸ்டக் ஆயிடுச்சு. அது கொஞ்சம் நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூஸ் இருக்குமா, அது வந்துடும். ஜஸ்ட் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, நீங்க ஒரு 1 மினிட் வெயிட் பண்ணா நீங்க ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அது கனெக்ட் ஆயிடும். அப்போ கொஞ்சம் ஸ்டக் ஆயிடும். இஸ் இட் கிளியர் நவ? So find n cap for this. So find A cross B first, அதுக்கப்புறம் அதுக்கு மேக்னிட்யூட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டு just divide it, you'll get the answer. வாய்ஸ் கிளியரா இருக்கா இப்போ சுபாஷினி? Yes sir, okay fine, okay ma'am. So try it. Just wait பண்ணுங்க, ஏன்னா மேபி நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூஸ் இருக்கும் சம்டைம்ஸ். அந்த நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூஸ்னால உங்களுக்கு டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. எனக்கு டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் வந்துட்டே இருக்கும், ஸ்டக் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு, இல்ல டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் இருக்கு அந்த மாதிரி. ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, ஒரு 1 மினிட் திரும்பி ரீகனெக்ட் ஆயிடும். Or got the answer?
minus I cap plus J plus K cap by root 3.
By root 3 வருதா? 3 root 3 வருதாமா? root 3 வருதா?
Sir.
Okay, fine. Other, do it, others. புரியுச்சா? பண்ணிட்டீங்களா எல்லா பேரு? We'll see the next question. Okay, next question. Next question. இது நீங்களே ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க இது. Okay, next question. Find a vector. Find a vector. Find a vector of magnitude 18. Find a vector of magnitude 18. Of magnitude 18. Okay, which is perpendicular to both the vectors. Which is perpendicular to both the vectors. Okay, 4i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. 4i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. Sorry, 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. And minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Find a vector of magnitude 18 which is perpendicular to both the vectors. So 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap and minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. So we are going to find the vector. So try to find the vector. How to do it? If you know it, please do it. Try to find the vector. Make it fast. Minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap by 18. Minus I cap plus 2j cap minus. No. கிடையாது. Okay, so do one thing. இது ஒரு homework try பண்ணுங்க நீங்க. I'll give the answer. வருதா நீங்க check பண்ணுங்க. Or else tomorrow I'll explain it. Okay, just take the answer. So answer is minus 6i cap plus 12j cap plus 12k cap. This is your answer. நோட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? ஓகே ஃபைன். ஸோ வில் சி த நெக்ஸ்ட் கான்செப்ட். ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து இது ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் கான்செப்ட் வந்து இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லியிருக்கேன் ரிலேட்டிவ் மோஷன், ரிலேட்டிவ் வெலாசிட்டி ஒரு டாபிக் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு வெக்டர்ஸ்ல. ஸோ வில் டிஸ்கஸ் தோஸ் ஒன். ஆன்சர் நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இது ஹோம்ஒர்க்கை ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க நீங்க. Or okay, next heading, relative velocity in 2 dimension. Relative velocity in 2 dimension. Relative velocity in 2 dimension. Okay. So answer note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Use this as your homework. Okay, try to find it or else tomorrow I'll explain it. Okay. Right. Next one. Relative velocity in 2 dimensions. In the concept question வந்து compulsory ஒரு question compulsory வரும் 2 dimension. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம வந்து single dimensionல single axisல நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். That is both vehicles are traveling in the same direction. This is your relative velocity. நம்ம என்ன பார்த்து டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம், இது A, இது B, relative velocity one with each other. VAB is equal to VA minus VB ன்னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். Okay, with respect to B னா VBA is equal to VB minus VA ன்னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். The same thing when both are in opposite direction, VAB and VBA ரெண்டு சேமா இருக்கும், which is equal to VA plus VB ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணோம். So these are your relations in single dimension, that is your motion is straight line. இப்போ 2 dimension motionsல இருந்தா எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்ப்போம். So assume both objects are traveling in the same direction. Objects are traveling in the same direction, one with respect to other. அப்போ வந்து இது வெக்டர்ஸ்ல தான் வரும், சேம் ரிலேஷன் தான் அண்டர் வெக்டர்ஸ். So VAB vector is equal to VA vector minus VB vector. VA vector minus VB vector. அதே மாதிரி VBA vector is equal to VB vector minus VA vector. VB vector minus VA vector. Minus VA vector. So in this relation, if you see that VAB and VBA both are in the opposite direction. Correct? I mean, same but in opposite. So with respect to VB minus VA. So from this relation, we can say that VAB vector is equal to minus VBA vector. VAB vector equal to minus VBA vector. Or if you are taking in modulus, when you're discussing with respect to modulus, so VAB vector is equal to VBA vector. The modulus is nothing but its magnitudes. Magnitudes are same ஆயிருக்கும், okay, but directions are different ஆயிருக்கும். Magnitudes same ஆயிருக்கும், but directions are different ஆயிருக்கும். Okay, so when we're discussing about the relative velocity one with each other, so I can write this relation it as VAB is equal to VA plus of minus VB. So vectors நம்மளுக்கு வந்து only addition மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு, subtraction கிடையாது. So the direction matters here. So VAB vector, I can write this VA vector plus of minus VB vector. Okay. And if you want to find the resultant, VAB is nothing but your vector. Okay. So இதோட resultant magnitude எனக்கு வேணும்னா resultant magnitude. So இங்க வந்து ரெண்டு vectors இருக்கு. அதோட resultant தான் we already discussed in triangle method and parallelogram method. So which is nothing but VA. ஏன்னா வந்து இங்க opposite direction இருக்கு ரெண்டு. It is nothing but your addition. Triangle method தான். Addition property தான். But if you want to find the resultant, okay, so VAB is equal to square root of VAB is equal to square root of. Remember, இது நான் வந்து ஒரே direction base பண்ணி தான் நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்றேன். VAB is equal to VA square plus VB square minus 2VA VB cos theta. Minus 2VA VB cos theta. So இது எப்போ வரும்னா when two objects VA VB with relative velocity VA with respect to B. Relative velocity VA with respect to B, making an angle theta. First relation. Other result is that, but because of the minus, inge minus 2VA VB cos theta. This is plus is this plus 2A VA VB cos theta. So next relation. This only number direction we discuss tan alpha and so. So same thing. So here second one, tan alpha is equal to ange நம்ம என்ன டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம் B sin theta by A plus B cos theta ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. But here instead of B, it is VB sin theta by VA minus VB cos theta. VA minus VB cos theta. Always remember velocities VAB, VABB, VAB எல்லாம் வந்து meter per second ல தான் இருக்கு. So units also must. Okay, so these are your two relations and நான் discuss பண்றது both are traveling the same direction with respect to VA and B. Okay, so இந்த formula note பண்ணா we'll do one problem. Or
Yes, sir.
Okay, so take a question. Or question note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. A boat is moving with a velocity. Boat is moving with a velocity. 3 I cap plus 4 J cap. A boat is moving with a velocity 3 I cap plus 4 J cap. 3 I cap plus 4 J cap. 4 J cap. Okay, with respect to ground. With respect to ground. With respect to ground. 4 J cap with respect to ground. Okay, right. The water in the river is moving. The water in the river is moving with a velocity. The water in the river is moving with a velocity minus 3 I cap minus 4 J cap. Minus 3 I cap minus 4 J cap with respect to ground again. With respect to ground. With respect to ground. Okay, what is the relative velocity of boat with respect to river? What is the relative velocity of boat with respect to river? Boat with respect to river. I'll repeat the question again. A boat is moving with a velocity 3 I cap plus 4 J cap with respect to ground, and the water in the river is moving with a velocity minus 3 cap minus 4 J cap with respect to ground. So what is the relative velocity of boat with respect to river? So whatever the relation we have discussed with respect to ground, it is nothing but your velocity VB, and it is nothing but your velocity W. Okay, boat relation and water relation. So here we need to find both boat with respect to river. Boat with respect to river. So VB with respect to river, that is your water, and specifying it as water. Okay, so VBW is equal to VB plus of minus VW. So try to find the vector VB minus VW. This is nothing but VB minus VW. Try to find VBW.
Six I cap plus 8 J cap.
Superman 6 I cap plus 8 J cap. Just we are going to subtract these two. So here on the already minus it will get added up. Okay, 6 I cap minus 6 I cap plus 8 J cap. Answer is 6 I cap plus 8 J cap. Okay, next question. Ma'am on the tanga konjam seekram. Next question note pannalam. Next question. இது கொஞ்சம் important. இந்த இப்போ வெக்டர் டயக்ராம்ஸ் பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் நமக்கு வந்து இனிமே ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் சால்வ் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, அதனால தான் நான் ஸ்லோவா போறேன். So next question is also important. இது பேஸ் பண்ணி நாளைக்கு நம்ம some more problems will do along with the projective motion. Okay, take a question. A particle P is moving. Particle P is moving along a straight line. Particle P is moving along a straight line. Along a straight line. Straight line of velocity 3 meter per second. Velocity 3 meter per second. And another particle Q has a velocity 4 meter per second. Has a velocity 4 meter per second. 4 meter per second to the path P. To the path P, making an angle theta as 90 degrees, 30 degrees. To the path P, making an angle of 30 degrees. Find the speed Q with respect to P. Q relative to P. Q relative to P. So we are going to find the relative velocity between Q and P. Relative velocity between Q and P. Okay. So we'll see one by one the relations. So this vector diagram now on the drop on right. So P vector irukku, it was moving in a straight line. Idu 3 meter per second irukku. Q vector irukku, idukku 30 degrees la irukku. It was moving with 4 meter per second. The resultant, that is your Q to P, we are going to find. Now I'm drawing a vector diagram here one by one. So assume, so there is a P vector. It is your, I'll take it as VP. Okay, it was traveling in a straight line. So idura velocity it is 3 meter per second. So I'll consider as VP direction as 3 meter per second, and it was starting from the origin or a start point or initial point at the start. So here with respect to p, one more vector is there, vq vector. Either velocity on the 4 meter per second. So both are making an angle of 30 degrees. Both are making an angle of 30 degrees. Okay, now we are going to find the resultant. To find the resultant in the 30 degrees beta, so what I'll do, I'll try to get in opposite directions. Nama vandu discuss pannalam. So opposite direction based panni nama pannalam. So to find the resultant, what I'll do, VP on the in the direction towards the right side. What I'll do, I'll take in opposite direction. It is a minus VP, but same velocity. It is a 3 meter per second. Same velocity there, but in opposite direction, minus VP. Right now, it is like a parallelogram. So VQ, what I'll do, I'll draw here. So this is VQ. Okay, it is like a parallelogram. Now I'm going to find the resultant. To find the resultant between these 2 points, angle but in opposite direction. So we are going to find the resultant. So resultant, so it will be between VP and Q. So I'm going to find the resultant here. So this resultant is VQ with respect to P. Okay, these are parallelogram. Okay, same relation. VQP now find out. So directions separate. So these are nothing but your directions. Okay, we are going to find VQP here. So to find VQP, so the relation, angle partner. So angle between VQ and VP. Angle between VQ and VP. So to find the angle between VQ and VP, either on the opposite direction, relation in our VQP is equal to VQ minus VP. Okay, for that only we are taking opposite directions. Or else number resultant direct plus but relative velocity on the both are in the same direction, it will be minus. Okay, so VQ minus VP. Right now, or else I can write it as VQ plus of minus VP. VQ plus of minus VP. Now we are going to find the resultant. To find the resultant, the angle now find out. Angle between the 2 vectors. Minus VP ku, VQ ku, I'm going to find the angle. So if you see that render opposite direction, the total angle was 180 degrees. But here already 30 degrees. 180 minus 30 is, the angle is 150 degrees. So theta is equal to 150 degrees. Theta is equal to 150 degrees. We are going to find the resultant here. VQB, that is the resultant. Now, so in this relation, so VQB is equal to square root of, so we already know the values. So it is a 3 square. It is a square, that is plus b square, that is 4 square, plus 2ab cos your 150 degrees. Okay, so cos 150 degrees, I can write it as your 90 plus 60 degrees or 180 minus 30 degrees. So 90 plus 60 degrees, it is 90 plus theta. It is your second quadrant. So cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. So the relation is minus sin 60. Minus sin 60 degrees. Okay, so just take it as your homework. So VQP find out pannunga. So making it is minus sin 60 degrees. Try to find VQP. So the answer you are getting as 2.1 meter per second. Answer is 2.1 meter per second. So try to find it. Suppose purilana, I'll explain this one. Just take this answer, take this relation, try to find it. So inime on the vector diagrams based on questions irukku. In the question, in the madri question is compulsory. Okay, so we'll do some more problems tomorrow. Okay, over.
Yes, sir.
Right, ma. So ma'am on the tongue. So we'll see tomorrow. If you have any doubts, you can text me then. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. Just in the rendu questions irukku, and the rendu questions neenga konjam practice pannunga homework. Okay, ma'am, na ungal host panniten ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.